Deck Out Women Crystal Eyelid Patch Anti-Wrinkle Crystal. Deck Out Women Crystal Eyelid Patch Anti-Wrinkle Crystal Collagen Eye Mask Remove Black Eye Face Care. Cabin Max Ultimate Travel Kit Neck Pillow, Eye Mask. The Ultimate Flight Travel Kit includes neck pillow, eye mask, ear plugs, massage socks and pen. This is a great accessory to add to your Cabin Max flight bag. Women's Sexy Signature Phantom of the Opera Masquerade Mask RightEye. I love this mask, but that rhinestone in the middle has got to go. Gave me an instant headache because it kept digging in my forehead the entire time. I gave up and popped it out. I would have given 5 stars. It's that rhinestone that killed my vibe. 1x Sexy Beautiful Women Lady Black Lace Floral. Multiple uses: beauty, wedding, the bride photography, acting, star shape, magazine, photo taking pictures, AD, stage, Performance.Catwalk shows, studio, speech, meeting, collection, prop, etiquette, yingbin, dress up decorations.The award gift, bar, gifts, etc. Package include 1x black lace or xWhtie 1. Gold Aquagel Collagen Eye Mask Remove Eye Bag Dark. When you apply this product on your face, you might have a little bit burning feeling, which I kinda enjoy. After using it continuously for 6 days, I have found it is actually more effective than the so-called mainstream products. I am enjoying this product so far, and I will use it for the next couple days to see if I can fully eliminate my eye bag circles. Spa Bella Ultimate Eye Mask Pink. Spa Bella Ultimate Eye Mask Pink. 1-piece gel beads for hot or cold relief, plush lined for sleeping, extra large size.